So this three-way rigging plastics is an absolute riot. I mean, the fish absolutely annihilate these baits. And it's really simple to fish as well too. We're using something, the setup's real simple, and it's a rod that I actually like to use when I'm vertical jigging. This is actually a Bass Pro Prodigy walleye rod. This is a new line of rods from Bass Pro this year. And it's a 6'6" medium action, extra fast tip. And basically all that means is you have a lot of backbone, but a really, really quick tip. And that's good because obviously with three-way rigging, you're gonna have a little bit of weight there. And what you wanna do with the actual presentation, with the setup here, is you're gonna have your three-way swivel, obviously, and we have a dropper of about 12 to 15 inches in length down to a weight. Now you're just gonna wanna gauge how deep you're fishing, basically how heavy the current is, and you're gonna choose your weight according to that. And we go into the leader setup here, and for both the dropper and the leader, we're gonna use 10-pound monofilament in this cold weather. But this leader is gonna be about 3 to 3.5 feet in length, all the way down to just a simple Aberdeen, like a number 1 or number 2 Aberdeen hook, and then putting a ringworm style bait on. We've used a variety of different styles, but very, very simple. We're working this along the bottom real slowly, keeping bottom contact, not working it aggressively, because obviously we're dealing with cold weather, and hold on tight, because when these things hit it, they absolutely crush it.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.